Hello, my name is Farrell Arifin, and I'm about to help you discuss one of the questions from a math past papers. Let's read the question. Given that y is equals to ln 3x squared plus 2 over x squared plus 1, find the value of dy over dx when x is equals to 2, giving your answer as a plus b ln 14, where a and b are fractions in the simplest form. And this is a 6-point question, so it's going to be quite challenging. So firstly, as you know, it's asking for dy over dx, so obviously we're going to have to derive this equation. And in order to do this, let's substitute ln 3x squared plus 2 as u and x squared plus 1 as v, as shown. Now after this, we're going to have to derive u and v. In order to derive u, this is a ln, so it's going to be 1 over the numbers present in the bracket. So it's going to be 1 over 3x squared plus 2. Now, this isn't over yet because we're also going to have to derive 3x squared plus 2 because of chain rule. So that's going to be 6x multiplied by 1 over 3x squared plus 2. That's going to be 6x over 3x squared plus 2. Now to derive v, we're going to have to derive x squared, which is going to be 2x. Now we don't have to derive 1 because 1 doesn't have any x values present, so you're going to get a 0 from it, and 2x plus 0 can just be written as 2x. Now the next step is to do the quotient rule. And what this means is that we're going to have to place u and v and its derived values in this equation, which is going to be u prime multiplied by v subtracted by u multiplied by v prime over v squared. And when you substitute these by these values, you're gonna have something that looks like this. Y prime is equals to 6x over 3x squared plus 2 multiplied by x squared plus 1 subtracted by 2x multiplied by ln 3x squared plus 2 over x squared plus 1 to the power of 2. Now you don't have to simplify this because as the instruction says, we're going to have to substitute x by 2. We don't have to simplify it. So you're gonna end up looking something like this. Now, you may be tempted to place all of these numbers in a calculator and find that 0. Values, but it's not really asking for that. You're gonna lose points if you answer that. Why? Because as the instruction said before, we're going to have to look for the answer in the form of a plus b ln 14. So while your answer may be correct, you're not going to get the full marks. So we're going to have to do these in chunks. So we put 6 multiplied by 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 plus 1. You place them in a calculator. It becomes 30 over 7. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by ln 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 plus by 2. It becomes 4 ln 14, and this becomes 25, and as shown. Now 30 over 7 is then divided by 25, or you can just multiply by 1 over 25, and negative 4 ln 14 is then multiplied by 1 over 25. And it goes something like this. And you do cancellation method. Divided by 5 becomes 6, divided by 5 becomes 5. You're going to get 6 over 35 subtract by 4 over 25 ln 14. And this is a simplified answer of a plus b ln 14. So this is the answer. 6 over 35 subtracted by 4 over 25 multiplied by ln 14. Thank you for your time.